Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame, and I just want to follow up with yesterday's price action. I was looking for us to actually drop under this triangle consolidation and start making this measured move. But yesterday, we actually went all the way to our level of 28,150 and whipped so hard back up. So that was a lot of buying pressure that went up, and that might have been due to liquidations or stop losses that were being hit under that $28,678 level, which you've been watching for the last few weeks. As of right now, this new candle is showing you sell pressure, but it's so early in the day that we don't know how high this volume will go. And we are right now flirting with the bottom of our consolidation of this triangle as it is. So I would say be careful for today. Any 4-hour open and closes under 28,600, you should be keeping an eye out for these lower levels to get tapped. We have a new level at 28,000 now to get provide some liquidity because there is this huge wick that came off this level. And then aside from that, we have the 27,500 at the bottom, which is also the middle of the channel. And losing that level, we're looking for the 25,400 area and under. If we lose this 25,400, means this entire wick got completely filled. And going under there, we have 24,400 and then 23,000 as two other areas of interest for the downside. If, on the other hand, we do start closing 4-hour open and closes above 28,300, I would say it's likely that the upside will come starting this weekend. But we have to wait for 4 p.m. on today for the CME to close, and then we can look for the Sunday CME. The last warning I want to give everyone is that it's a holiday weekend, Memorial Day weekend. There should probably be very, very low volume. So price can float to any direction depending on what the market maker is looking for, depending on which side the positions are stacked on. So be very, very careful. I'm actually not going to have any positions this weekend until we're opening up the markets at Tuesday. And then even Tuesday and Wednesday, since it's going to be the first day back after holidays, people will be trickling into the office. As of right now, people are probably already on vacation, hence why I'm saying low volume market conditions. So it's like going to be like the weekend right now. And then also Monday, when we come back, only some people will be back, but Tuesday, Wednesday, the rest of the office will come back. So I might not even look at the market too heavily or too intensely until Tuesday, when the stock exchange opens on New York at Tuesday 9:30 Central, due to the fact that like the price can go anywhere at this point until people with real money come and defend it. So we can lose the support now that everyone's on vacation, or the support can get defended by the market maker, expecting everyone to have a short over the weekend, thinking we're going to go down, and then just runs the price up really quick and fast to stop out all those shorts and all those people who had stopped above, all getting stopped out due to this quick move up and them not being able to defend themselves since they're on vacation. So just be very wary of all those possibilities. I'm going to go to a 4-hour now so we can zoom in a little bit on this price action so we can see a little bit better as to what we should be expecting. So on the 4-hour, as I was saying, if we start closing 4 hours under 28,600, you will start seeing this downside come at you a little bit quicker than it has already. I can actually move this. No, I cannot. I was going to move this out of the way so that we're not confused as to what's going on, but this measured move is from the larger orange channel breakdown, and this is where I had the support. So if we do break down here, we're going to see this move come out, and 23 or low 20s is where I'm expecting this if 19.5 is not the level. As of right now, we are seeing the pressure about to start to the downside. We just did not have the 21 and 55 cross, and now we're pushing price away from the 55. So this 28.6 is a major level. Any open and closes underneath it, you have got your warning that, hey, we can go down. And then as soon as you lose this wick, you know that we're going to probably chase this other wick over here. So keep all of this in mind. This consolidation is near its end, and we should be breaking out of this consolidation today or tomorrow, within the next day or two. It's unfortunate that it's happening over the weekend during the holiday weekend, but it's going to be happening. So be careful, guys. Be ready. If we have open and closes above 29,300 on the 4 hour, we can look for more upside to come. So just be careful, because right now I see that the downside is testing this area, but if this area holds, we're gonna have a very, very nice pop up to the top. We're gonna have to beat this 31,250 golden pocket, and if we start having 4 hour open and closes above that level, we're gonna start shooting really, really high, really, really fast, due to all these shorts gonna be basically getting closed out on the move up, as well as the FOMO going like, hey, the bottom is in, will build, and everyone will chase this price up to the highs very, very quickly. So be warned about that. Let's go to Ethereum on a daily and see what we are looking at. So Ethereum on a daily did hit our measured move. How great is that? We did hit 1715 and we bounced off of that. We opened at 1790. So if we have 4 hour open and closes above 1790, we can look for a higher retracement to the top side, but I am not looking for a high above 1995. If we do have 4 hour opens above 1995, we can look for us to look the bottom being put in, and we can look for a higher retracement, say like the 2100 level at the 21 EMA, or we can even go all the way to 2500, which is where the 55 EMA is at. All will be told in time. As of right now, we are fighting this 1715 and figuring out if this is support. If this support holds, then we can look for upside. But if this support breaks, we have all the other targets to the downside that we've already clearly mentioned and spoke about ad nauseum for the last few weeks. So keep that in mind, guys. Let me go to a 4 hour. 4 hour on Ethereum, we are looking at some weakness. After we broke out of this little triangle consolidation, we tested into the 21 and we rejected very heavily. So right now we just got a close into the Bollinger Band. So this might be marking the bottom, and into New York Open we can see some retrace to the upside, but I'm looking for open and closes above 1890. Unless 1890 is reclaimed with 4 hour open and closes, I'm not looking for higher. I'm expecting this to just get up to this high and then just roll right back down. And that's why I was expecting a bounce from this 17 area anyway. But I don't think it's going to get too high. So this PDEQ about 1850 is where I expect it to come to before the next wave down. And then we have to see if 1715 will hold. If not, and the channel breaks, we'll have that measured move come into the lower area. There's a lot of naked points of control here for us to bounce off of. So let's see what happens with the 4 hour open and closes. As of right now, the volume is starting for the upside, but if it's weak and it gets pushed back down, we will see new lows due to the fact that any 4 hour open and close under 1715 will be a bearish move to the downside. So keep that in mind, guys. Be very, very careful. The warning I gave on Bitcoin is the same warning on Ethereum, that it is the weekend. It's a holiday weekend. All these prices can float up probably more than they would float down, but the likelihood of going down is there. But since all week we've had the price action to the downside, maybe this weekend will be contrary to the upside to stop out all the shorts and panicked people who put on stop losses right above the current price action before they went on the holidays. And that's just an easy area for the market maker to take all that liquidity and just roll it right back down after. So be very, very careful on that. Aside from that, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell notification button. If we make any videos this holiday weekend, I want you to be able to get that information to defend yourself. I know the stock market will be closed, but the crypto market is going to be open and running 24/7. So if there's any assets you would like me to cover, leave it in the section below and I will get back to you. Aside from that, please, if you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the section below and I will get back to you. And then if you have any other concerns, don't forget in the description below, I have a Discord group. You can reach out to me and I can get you your answers very, very promptly. And yeah, don't forget that I love you guys. I know it's going to be a tough weekend, but if you're not trading, try to enjoy your time with your family and friends. Relax, make your plan for Tuesday when the markets do open. You can have your paper trade ready to act. I highly suggest to be very, very defensive and cautious this weekend. I've seen some crazy moves during these holiday weekends, so I do not want to have a position and be underwater and defend myself until Tuesday, and then the price comes back to where I got trapped in the first place. So be very, very careful, guys, and I will see you soon. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Don't forget I love you. Be safe and enjoy your weekend.